This is a fit for a 2007 through 2018 Jeep Wrangler JK. We've outfitted this vehicle with the Yakima SpareRide. This is a spare tire mounted bicycle carrier. It mounts to the spare tire using a plate that is bolted behind the spare tire using the existing lug nuts. This is using the medium tongue provided with the rack. This is a hanging style carrier, meaning the bicycles must be hung from their frames. Be sure that the bicycles that you intend to carry are suitable to be hung from their frames. These are using the ratcheting straps. The arms tilt down with the gray handle at the top. Bikes can be locked on using the included SKS locking cable. Also, the rack is locked to the spare tire with the SKS red turn knob. Those are included with SKS locks. This product and the full line of Yakima products are available at rackattack.com. Please see the link in our video description for complete details, our pricing, and our promotions.